Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to open a business bank account in Brazil. So let's get started. So here I will just go to google.com and here I will directly search for top bank list in your Brazil. Okay, business bank. So here we can see. So the first bank is your Banco do Brasil. Then we have our Itaú Unibanco. Then we have Bradesco. Then other banks. So in this video I am going to show you how to open a bank account in your Banco do Brasil. Okay, so I'm going to their website. So here the website are Banco do Brasil. So here we can see the website. So it's very good. Okay, so to open a business for your business, I will just click it here. So you are beginning. Okay, so here we'll just go to beginning. So here I can just apply to get to know the new app, open your business account. Okay, so this site will be like loading. Okay, so we will just here. Okay, so there the main verification, like you can open your digital business bank also, but to like a professional account, if you want a professional business account, it will be done offline verification only. So here we can see. So here we can see. So from there you can just apply, or you can just go to their nearest branch. So from the branch you can directly contact them and you can just say that I want to open. They will tell you the verification, like verification process. The basic verification will be require a minimum age of 18. If your business is in partnership or any firm, then it will require a legal document also, then your proof also where you are like living, that proof also, and some other document will be required. So by this way you can just open it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.